Hello, I'm Arafaz from Team Eurpean Rover. We hail from Islamic University of Technology, Bangladesh. We have named our rover after our team name, Eurpean Rover. Each of us had dreams of dwelling in space. Economic constraints and lack of resources came into play, but we always had the dream burning inside of us. European Rover Challenge presented us with the opportunity to catch that dream. We couldn't think of a better platform than this one to share our ideas and be a small part of the exciting endeavor of mankind into Mars. In this video, you will see what we have been working on day and night for about 9 months. We believe in test run and reveal methodology, so after a number of iterations, our rover is in final state. We have been working on in 6 sub-themes: electrical and communication, mechanical and driving, robotic arm, science and chemistry, computing and vision, and finally business and media.
Hi, I'm Mirza Nishad and I'm responsible for the rover's electronic system, power system and onboard science chemistry task. In electronic system, we have used Arduino-based microcontroller, and for controlling all the motors, we have used very high current tolerating motor controllers. We have used different switches in the rover so that we can give protection, and for the ultimate protection of the rover, we have given a red switch so that if any fault situation occurs, we can turn off the switch instantaneously. In power system, we have used lithium polymer batteries. We have used different batteries in different locations. In onboard science chemistry task, we have used pH sensors, moisture sensors, temperature sensors and humidity sensors so that we can detect moisture, temperature and pH or humidity from a distant location.
Hi, I'm TM Monuzaman Sani. I'm System Engineer of Mars Rover Total Mechanics and Driving System. At first, we have faced many problems developing our rocker buggy mechanism. Later on, we have designed it on AutoCAD and simulate it accordingly. And after that, we have successfully designed the simplest form of our rocker buggy system. And we have a powerful driving unit that drives by high current motors. This driving system takes the whole load of our Mars rover.
Hello, I am Jayed Ahmed. In the IoT Mars rover team, I am in charge of wheel and suspension design of the system, and I also looked after the static and dynamic stability of the system. Here, at first, for wheel we have used casted aluminium wheel and synthetic rubber has been imposed on the surface of the wheel. For suspension system, we have used spring suspension underneath the frame, and to verify our result, we have used different simulation softwares.
Hi, I am Abu Said Sujan. In IoT Mars rover team, I am responsible for the structural design and selecting suitable material for our rover. For the construction of our rover, we have used aluminium as it is light in weight, for its high strength and its strength to weight ratio is very high. For the flexibility of our rover, we have used different kind of joint. And the most important thing is, most of the fabrication work of our rover we have done by ourselves in our lab, using different kinds of machines like CNC machine, drilling machine, turning machine and milling machine.
Hello viewers, this is Mohammed Chandra. I work with the IoT Mars rover in its hand, shovel and the gripper. The gripper goes with 3-finger mechanism which is effective on holding anything, and it can also rotate about its axis 360 degree. Shovel, actuator and the servo is attached with the hand to collect soil.
Hi, I am Mahmoud Sakib. I worked on the building of the robotic arm. There is a circular base in the robotic arm which can rotate 360 degree about its own axis. The degree of freedom of the robotic arm is 145 degree about its own base. We have used gear mechanism for building the base of the robotic arm and rotating it on its axis. We use aluminium to make the robotic arm so light.
Hello everyone, this is Nazmul Saki from Computing and Vision sub-team. Our rover will operate on 2.4 GHz wireless Wi-Fi network. The rover will have a netbook which will help the astronauts for different types of debugging and storing information through interactive UI. We have already developed 2 applications, one for the offline map, another one is for the navigation purpose. These are written with C# and U2B socket programming. There is also a C++ embedded application which will help for autonomous driving. There are 3 cameras, one for the surveillance purpose, another is at the robotic arm, and the last one is at the frontal part of the rover, which will be directed towards the ground.
Hi, I'm Ryan Slaman. I have worked on the GPS and the navigation system. The system embedded with offline map will be used for time traversal tasks. It will supply us with the exact location of the rover on the field and also its inclination angle to avoid accelerometer tripping and also some other fitness parameter of the rover.
Hi, I'm Farel Alam and I'm the CAD designer for the IoT Mars rover. The CAD design, which was initially built on SolidWorks 2013, helped us to simulate real-world conditions as it will be on Mars before actually approaching for the initial construction of the IoT Mars rover. The Mars rover that we've built also incorporates an inbuilt soil testing system and apparatuses that helps us to actually analyze the environment that will be on Mars. Such is the design of the IoT Mars rover.
I am Minhajul Salikin Fahmi. I look after the business and media portion of the work. And so far we are thankful to our IoT Authority and Alumni Association for the funds they have endowed us with. And so far the cost stands on 2,575 euros. And by this week, inshallah, we'll be finished with our air tickets booking and accommodation booking. And we also would like to mention that we maintain a Facebook fan page in which within months we have nearly 1,000 fans, and we make sure that our part in the society is done very well.
Hi, I am Usama Islam and I am in charge of team management and accounts. I maintain the accounts and the finance section so that our team will not find any persevere while building the rover. I also maintain the liaison and coordination between the teams and estimated that within 18 August our rover will be finished.
Hi, I am Asif Iqbal. I am the photographer and cinematographer of IoT Mars rover team. I also look after the design and the post-production of our team.
With all that merit and effort put together, we are finally pulling this off. Hopefully the journey of IoT Mars rover in European Rover Challenge will be a remarkable one.